now completed up to the add and insert table. Once we have done that, we can go to our next part, which is insert data. So I am writing a header here, that is insert new room details. That means I want to add some new room with a new price, then I should be able to do that. The indentation is inside this if block. That means first this should be executed and only then this will be executed. In this, once this header is displayed, I will create a text box. So st.select box. So this is a box which allows you to select one amongst the few options. So in this you can have a message, so you can write room type, and further you can create the single or double bed. So we can write single or we can write double in this select box, and further we can decide. So the value whatever is selected will be in this variable room selected. Then further we can have the rate. This has to be st, which is streamlit dot number input. So any number can be added, rate of room. So this two things we need, and then once this have been selected, we can create a button, and here we will say that insert room into table. Okay, so once this button is clicked, the function insert room should be called, and this insert room function it will always have the connection object, but it will also have the room that is selected and the rate that is selected. Along with insert room, we can also have the insert guest. So this will also be similar to this. It will share the same syntax. So insert guest details. Here we will take name, number, and we will take name, email and phone number. So first we will have name, then we will have email, and we will have phone number. These three fields we will take them as text input. So people can add any text here. First will be name, then there will be the email, and there will be also the phone number, and then there will be a button that is insert guest into table, and here we will write insert guest. We will also, so here instead of room selected we have to pass name, email and phone. Okay, and then this insert room, it has to be from services dot the file where it will be inserted. It is add rooms file and insert room, and to insert the guest we will have to create another file. So from services dot, I will call this insert guest, import insert guest. So I have to create inside this an insert guest dot py. Okay, so this is the order. First we have to insert the room, so I have to now write a function insert room, and this insert room function is in the add rooms file. So I am going to add rooms file and I am creating the function insert rooms. I will have to import the packages. So one is this package, there is a second Streamlit package as well. It is good to write a few information about this. So we will mention that connection is the copg2 object of connect. Then room selected is string and rate is float. So this informs us about the data type for each of the inputs of the function. The insert room query will be similar to the insert data, so we can take that, but I prefer not to copy paste. So first create the cursor, connection dot cursor, but always it is good practice to write inside the try. If there is any error, then the program should not crash. That is why we are writing in the try, and we are printing a message. In case there is error, then we print message and we return none. If there is no error, then cursor dot execute. This will execute the query. Whatever query we want to send, it should be in the string format. So we will write insert into the table rooms. The data that we want to insert is in column room type and rate, and what we want to insert, that is the two strings. That is why I wrote %s, and the two strings are coming from room selected and rate. Okay, so these two things will be inserted, and then the function will close, and we can have cursor dot close, and before that connection dot commit. So all changes will be reflected. We can also have a success message here, that data inserted into table rooms. Okay, so this was for my add rooms. I have to save all now. Now there is one more file, insert guests. Now in this insert guests, we will be writing the code for this function, insert guest function. So we have it here, name, email and phone. So these all three are strings. Here we are inserting into the table guests, and we are going to insert the name, email and phone. What are the columns in? We have name, email and phone. So here insert guests, we will have name, email and phone, and the values that we will get will be name, email and phone. So that's it, and here I will make the change, inserted into table guests. Commit, close. So this is also completed. Save all the changes, and now that all the different parts are complete, we can test our program. Is it working? So to test it, we go to the terminal, we write streamlit run and main.py, which is the file where we have written our we have called our function. Streamlit is not recognized, so I will have to install streamlit, pip install streamlit. This will install the package streamlit. Okay, so package is installed. Now we can type streamlit run main.py. This will open a web browser, and on this you will see your hotel management app So it is loading. Okay, so we have add tables. So tables are added. Now we want to add a single room. We want to add a single room here. So there is a problem in our code. Let us check why it is not working. There is a syntax error at end of input. So we have to resolve this error. We will do that in the next video. Thank you.